Imos the juice to change your life. It satisfies your girlfriend and pleases your wife. It will lifted you up the highest you ever stand up in life. Comes in 16 ounces, 32 ounces, 64 ounces and 128 ounces. Ingredients: all natural fruits and vegetables and sea moss. Contact us at 904-370-9685. Email charltonsmithil@gmail.com or mytimeimos@gmail.com. We deliver right at your doorstep, locally or international. Order yours today or tomorrow. We're ready to ship anywhere over the world.
I must. Oh my gosh, yo. Oh, I must. It's out in a favorite restaurant. Out in a favorite restaurants. And when you wake up in the morning, drink a aloe vera mass. It good for diabetes, prostate and Alzheimer's. It good for your husband, father and his brothers. I must. It's out in a favorite restaurants. Out in a favorite restaurants. And when you wake up in the morning, drink a lemon mass. It good for high blood pressure, arthritis, and many others. Oh, yeah.